Okay, this is what I shared with Kefi. I'm trying to bring it up. Okay, this is a customer journey map. This is what I shared with him. So, but I don't know if we can have this. So you see, it just shows the um, journey map of the person in one page. So if we can have those pictures repeated like this, now when you expand it, this part should be where the person, this page will be the world is waiting for you. Do you understand? Now, the person is actually taking a decision, validate. So what will now be each of this place? It's this. What makes us different? Sorry. What I check? Okay, it's on this. Down. So what makes us different is what our mastery of what identifying industry needs. So if we come back to this, is it here? Now this validation will be our mastery of having what industry needs. Now the next step will be the person taking what a world-class simulator training. Then the next step is building robust partners, industry partners facilitating job fair. If we come here, so this next step is industrial training, things about training, robust partnership and job fair. If you come to the last part, no, robust partnership, creating a strategic partnership, then job fair. This is the final person. He has a job. He has a job. So if we can have this, we don't need to actually put all this because we might actually have this maybe sometimes in the future. You understand? So, but this
right,
is
Michael,
actually, yeah.
Yeah, permits me to ask. Now we get the flow, right? And I'm glad that Ayomide is here. But just for clarity, are you saying that if we depict, because I can share this document with Ayomide, if we depict what we have from the start here to the finish, with the flow we have, would that be fine? We just have to find the complementary images to fit.
Yes. Now you already like this particular document you sent. This one you sent. How to get this PDF you actually sent first. We can have it something like this here. Instead of actually having it like a PDF in just one diagram where it shows this complementary with this. Now this is the world is waiting for you. Now the second part is what our mastery of identifying industry needs. Now quality mid-entry level cybersecurity professionals who actually to fill up over 200,000 empty space. Now, world-class cyber simulator training. Now, think cyber and Babcock University capability to actually do what? Attract what? Industry stakeholders to organize what? World-class job fair. Now, job fair with what? AI-driven, job fair with what? AI-driven tech, AI-powered skill mapping, sorry, then what? Your dream, the job. So in one page, they see through it. That is actually what I was thinking we do, but I don't know if it's going to be a bunch of jobs. So that's actually why you're looking at it. It actually the picture speaks for itself. It shows where you are, what takes you to where you want to where you want to be.
Okay, so I have another question, please. Am I designing for social media posts, or you want to use it as a presentation?
No, it's not social media. Sorry, it's not presentation, please. We are sending it to our distance, our prospects. So if you say social media, yes, but presentation, no, it's not a presentation.
Okay. So so when I'm done, I have to put it in like the PDF formats that I did before. So it's a document.
Yes, a document that when they read through, in one flip, they can see where they are going to.
So I mean, just to add to this, right? So there are a couple of interested people, right, who have moved to a different journey in terms of moving them to making payments for the training. So it's not like it can, if you need it, you don't have to say, oh, let me use social media dimension, because if you use it right and you maybe need a dimension that will allow you support more images and more text, a one-by-one dimension may not work, right? So just think of it this way, that we want to share this thing directly to some people. We have like their, maybe we want to send it to them, maybe WhatsApp or email, but it needs to be in a PDF file. But it just has to be anything that communicates the flow from the start to the end. So whatever dimension you believe would work for this, it's totally fine.
All right, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, so another question. Sorry,
Okay.
please. Another question. We are using like human characters, right? Not these animations, right?
Use whatever you want, you feel best communicate what you want. Now, the world is
Okay.
waiting for you. The world is waiting for you should be a guy standing. There's a door. The door can be Think Cyber. Then out at the other part is what? A world of opportunities. But the guy is just before the door, thinking to open or not to open. I think that's the best way to depict the world is waiting for you. Now, this arrow can be take the Think Cyber, the Think Cyber journey map, the Think Cyber career journey map. This place will be what? Our mastery of what? Identifying industry needs. Now, this place will be what? Quality world-class training. Now, this place will be what? What makes us different is what our ability to attract what? Industry stakeholders to what? To our job fair. The last part will be what? A world-class job fair and what? Skill mapping. In employer and what? Think Cyber skill mapping. Now what? Opportunity. So that's it. I believe you get the flow now. So there must be a connect from where they are to where they're going to, and which shows our input, our ability to actually deliver each stage, each step of the journey.
Yeah, I understand now. Yeah. I'm going to jump on it right now, but I don't think we can, if we want to get the quality designs so that I don't have to rush from my end, because if I have to rush, the quality would not come out well. So because I have everything I'm going to do, I have to pick a picture that rhymes with whatever I'm doing, even have to manipulate it to fit exactly what I want to send. So it's I want to give you a deadline. I don't know how urgent you are expecting it.
Okay, when do you think you deliver a quality job? What's the time frame?
For a very good quality that would not need to, maybe except someone to add one or few words that, okay, this picture's already sending this message. I would say Friday.
Friday, it's okay. We'll work with the PDF you've given us. Let's have the quality stuff for Friday. It's not a document we'll use once. It's something we will reuse over and over again. So
yes.
let's actually do what will actually stay a long time.
All right.
Okay, today is Wednesday, so by Friday we should be expecting the document. It's okay.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, Michael. Thank you very much. So please, would you be able to share us the recording after now?
Yes, I'll do that.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time, Michael, and making